Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get 20% off Filmora 12 video editing software. So currently Filmora 12 is being sold for about $49.99 per year if you're going for the annual plan, or for the cross-platform plan, which is $59.99 per year, which gives you the ability to use the Windows, PC, Mac, Android phones, iPhone, pad, Android tablet, and the rest. This is really good. And also with the perpetual plan, which is the lifetime license, which is being sold for about $80. And if you pretty much want to go for this right now, you're gonna be like losing out on the discount that I'm about to share with you in this video. So to get a 20% discount that I'm about to share with you in this video, go to the description box below and click on that link, and it's gonna break you here. So first of all, you need to know which device you're currently operating. If you're using Windows, you're gonna click X this out to take out Mac OS. But if you're using Mac, take out the Windows options. And for me, I'm going to take out the Mac option because I use a Windows device. So let's say I'm using just Windows, and this is currently $79.99, which is pretty much $80. So for me to get the 20% discount, click on the I have a coupon discount and click on it and type in TSGODWIN20, and you're gonna get 20% discount on Filmora 12. So when you click on it, you're gonna get $16 on your entire purchase. So this is a discount that I'm actually giving to my subscribers and followers. So if you're currently watching my videos, you watch the tutorials that I'll be making on this channel, just click on the link right now, because this is going to benefit you. Because if you want to get started using Filmora and you don't want to pay the full amount, just go to the link, the first link in the description box below. Click on the link. It's going to bring you here. Choose the operating system you want for your Filmora 12 license, and click on the I have a coupon and type in it's Guardian 20, and you're going to get $16 off Filmora. So right now the total price for this license is $63.99. So if you actually use my link, you just save $16. But if you went straight to the Filmora website, you're gonna spend $80 on the license. So that's how you guys gonna be able to save $20% off your Filmora 12 license if you're getting started out. So I hope you guys to check the link in the description if you guys are really interested, and get yourself the $16 off Filmora 12. And that's it for today's video. I just want to share this quick discount with you guys to help you all save money while purchasing your Filmora 12's license. That's all for today. Peace.